Today, we're going to dive in to the ease that comes with using your Workflow Secret dashboards for taking the information that comes into your Realvolve account and plugging it directly into your dashboards. So, if you're ready, go ahead and pull up your dashboards, log into your Realvolve, and let's get after it. Now, migrating into our Realvolve account, we are going to look at just how easy it is to set up your Realvolve to automatically update your dashboard. In most cases, it's as easy as just simply adding the webhook to an activity with a pre-existing workflow. Let's go ahead and move into our workflow section, found on that top ribbon piece. And then over here on the left, you're going to notice that I've clicked into a new lead workflow, which is a contact workflow. This workflow has a single activity. Clicking the down button and hovering over it, we can then click the pencil. Now within the pencil, you're going to see that I have this activity set up that's assigned to my personal account with the workflow contact. And it's going to start immediately after. Scrolling down a little bit to the very far right-hand bottom side, you're going to see that I do have an action assigned to this workflow activity. Clicking on it, you're going to notice that it is going to send an SMS auto response immediately. And I do have a action template tied to this activity that is going to send a quick little note that's going to let me know that I have a new lead coming in to my Realvolve system, as well as that it's sending it over to my dashboards. Now going all the way to the bottom and utilizing the newest feature that Realvolve has, the webhooks section, I can simply drop down, insert my webhook URL that was provided to me, and then save, and then you're ready to go. From here, we just need to run the activity on any contact that we're looking to send data to, and then we will be ready to go. I hope that helps you understand a little bit better, and we're so grateful for your attention.